Hey, how's it going, guys? In this tutorial, we're going to learn how to organize your files using Python. So I'm pretty sure many of you guys usually put a lot of different types of files in a single folder. So for example, here in this Python my tutorial folder, and I have many different files. So mostly just Excel files, Python script, image files, as well as that's pretty much it. So if I sort my files by file type, and I can see that I have JPEG files, Microsoft 97 to 2003 Excel file, and Excel template files, as well as just regular Excel worksheet files. And on top of that, I have another image file, which is the PNG format, and followed by just a couple of Python scripts. So my objective is that I want to organize all these files and sort those files into different folders based on their file type. So for Excel related file formats such as Microsoft Excel 2003 and the Excel template file and just the regular Excel files, and those will go into the Excel files folder. And for image files such as JPEG, PNG, and those files will go into the image files folder, and Python files, and so on. And everything else, I want to allocate those files into the other files folder. So it should mean I know I have two files inside this folder. So let me just move them to the main folder. Now let's open a Python script, and here I'm going to open my demo.py file. So here I'm going to import the OS module. Next, I'm going to import the shadow module. To be honest, I never know how to accurately pronounce this library name, but I think most people just call it shadow. Here I'm going to create a variable to store my current directory. Next, I'm going to iterate each file within this directory right here. So basically, I'm going to iterate each file, and based on the extension type, I'm going to move each file to their destination folder. So here I'm going to write a loop. So for F stands for file, for F in os.list_dir, and here I'm going to provide my directory path, which I want to list out all the folders and files. Here I want to extract the file name and the file extension. And I can do that using the os.path.splitText method. And I'm going to provide the file path. Now if I simply just print the file name as well as the file extension value. Oops, here, so here's a typo. So it should be split text. Now if I run the Python script, and in this statement right here is going to print the file name as well as the file extension. So if we just slowly scroll down, so for folders, you can see that the print statement only prints the file name. For the extension, it just leaves that as blank value. So we can use that to validate whether or not if a file is a folder or just a regular file. So here I'm going to insert try in the except statement. Here we can say that if the file is not found, so here we can use the file not found error constants as well as permission error. Then we can skip the file moving process. Now let's go back to the try statement. So here we can say that if the file extension is blank, then we know it's going to be a folder, so we're going to pass. Otherwise, we're going to insert else if statement. So if the file extension is a Python file, then we can use the sudo module, and there's a method called move. And we can use the move method to move the file from one location to another location. So our first parameter will be the file origin. So I can use the os.path.join, and I'm going to basically just create the original source file path. So here we have the file name and the file extension. And so I'm going to copy this statement right here. And so for Python files, I'm going to move those files to the Python files folder. So all we need to do is we just need to add one more folder, which is the Python files folder. Okay, that looks pretty good. Now we need to repeat the process multiple times. It should come up more times for image files, Excel files, and other files. So here I'm going to copy line 13 to 16. Except that, so now we can, the process is basically the same. The only thing that is different is the file extension name. So for image file, it can be a JPEG file, so .jpeg, .png, and sometimes you make a GIF file. So for this one, it's going to be image file. So I want to move the files to my image files folder. And for Excel file, so it can be .xlx, .xlsx, and for the Excel template file will be xltx. And if you have macro enabled Excel files, then you can include the macro file extension type, which is xlsm, and this will be Excel files. And lastly, all other file types, I want to move those files to my other files folder. So here we can delete the condition. And that's it. So here, let me delete the extra lines. Now if I save and run the Python script, and here I forgot the colon. So let me try again. So if I save and run the Python script, and here it's finished. Now if I go into my Excel files folder and sort by file type, so here you can see that all the Excel related files got moved to my Excel files folder. And for the image file, and my PNG files, and also, as well as my JPEG files. And for other file types, so like the Camtasia project file and PowerPoint file, so those files got moved to other files folder. And lastly, my Python files got moved to my Python files folder. So that's everything I'm going to share in this video, and hopefully you guys found the video useful. And as always, thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys on the next video.